Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is Coop Cleanout Day. In fact, I've already cleaned one and I saved this one to show you basically the procedure that I'm using. Grub Terra sent me this product called Coop Refresher. Y'all, it smells so good. It's amazing. I've already put it in the other coop. So today I'm going to be cleaning out this one and putting it in there also. I know my girls are going to love it. I'll tell you a little bit more about it a little later. As you can see, this is the nesting box area. This is the roosting area for the older chickens. In fact, this entire coop is for the older girls, the senior girls. I keep them separated because it cuts down on conflict, and these girls are much older than the other ones. I don't want them to be harassed by the younger girls, which they will do. So I've already cleared out the straw and everything from this area. So what I did was I sprinkled some first Saturday lime, lightly sprinkled. I don't want to cause any issues with their respiratory system, so I made sure that I lightly sprinkled it so that dust doesn't flare up. That type of thing can really affect their respiratory system. And I used to use diatomaceous earth, but I stopped using that because diatomaceous earth can be brutal on their respiratory system. Also, diatomaceous earth has particles of seashells and that type of thing. And I really don't want that in my chicken's respiratory system. So I don't use that anymore. This is the Saturday lime. And no, that isn't oregano. But it does still have the oregano scent. So they're going to have the first Saturday lime with slight oregano scent sprinkled in, along with the Coop Refresher, which consists of thyme and rosemary. It smells so good. I can't tell you how great it smells. So here we have I have laid in the straw and on both sections, and I've covered it with or lightly dusted it with the Coop Refresher on top of the straw. I didn't put the Coop Refresher beneath. I put it lightly on top of the straw. And one of the things that it says about the Coop Refresher is that it is hydrophobic, which means that it's not going to absorb um, the liquids from their droppings. And that's good, ensuring effectiveness even in rainy weather. So that's great. It's hydrophobic, it's um, slow release, and it is 100% natural and safe for chickens as well as for humans. And there are four 1/2 ounce bags in the package, lasting a total of 15 weeks. And it is made in the USA. If you'd like to try this, I will link it below. You can use my code for 20% off. That's my girl Rhonda. She has been begging the entire time I've been in here. You could probably hear her in the background. I'll come back with your snacks shortly. I'll be coming back with your snacks. Yeah. And these are my older girls. As I was mentioning, it's their coop that I'm working on. They have nesting boxes in there, but they don't use them for laying eggs anymore because none of them lay eggs anymore. They basically sleep in them. At least I have one or two that will sleep in there. One of my hens, Tess, is blind, so she usually goes to the nesting box area to sleep. But she's done that for some time. She started doing that prior to becoming blind. She's always been like a little loner. She likes to stay by herself. But but y'all, she's amazing. She's amazing. She does fine with being blind. She can see shadows, I think, because she knows when I'm coming in. She waits for me to collect her from the coop, um, and for me to put her back in the coop. She'll stand at the opening for me to pick her up and yells at me the entire time, like, "What are you waiting for, woman? Come and get me." But anyway, that's it for today. I hope to see you on the next video. Oh, and before I go, I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and I would really appreciate your help. So if you have been watching and haven't subscribed, it would really help the channel if you would do so. It would help to get the videos out to others who may be interested in my content. So thanks for watching, and you have a super wonderful day.
Here you go. Come on.
Bye.
Chick, chick. I'm just afraid of the camera up close. Come on. Chick, chick. Come on, girls. Come on. Chick, chick.